Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. This is NK. Today I'm going to show you how to use extra hard disks or laptop SSD or SSD card to your desktop computer. As I can show you that my laptop does that, it's not turned on, so I take this SD card, and now I am going to connect it to my computer. As follow this step, you can also use extra hard disks, SSD card or any other laptop hard disk. You will need just a SSD card or hard disk or laptop hard disk, a kind of SATA port. You can easily buy it from any computer shop. And this is a cable, motherboard cable. We can use this cable to connect this SSD card, SSD card to a computer. Just need two cables and one hard disk. First of all, just take this cable and connect it with it, just like this, nothing else, just like this. And then take this black one and connect it to your hard disk or SSD card or extra hard disk. Just that's it, just two cable. Okay, now I am going to connect it with my computer. So let's go to my computer. So friends, this is my desktop. As you can see, I have already a hard disk in my desktop and a DVD writer here. Now I am going to connect my laptop hard disk in here. First of all, just take a place in here. This is a place for SSD card. I don't have any SSD card, so I just connect this one, and then take this cable, SD card cable, and connect with it to your motherboard. You can see here, here I have 2 port extra. So just connect it. That's it. And now, if your power supply have the cable, you can easily use this, or if you don't have, then this is a connector, you can say it. Now take the black one and zoom in and just connect it. Just little harder. You can see it is now connected, both cable, this one and this one is connected. Now I am going to turn on the PC computer and show you the drive. Let's start the computer. Now I am going to turn on my computer. You can see the welcome. And here it is. If I going to open the hard disk. You can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 9 10 11 drive. And if I go to manager from here, now I am going to disk management, and here you can see I have two disks. Here I have two disks, disk 1 and disk 2, 0 and disk 1. Disk 1 is 465 gigabyte, that means 500 gigabyte, and disk 1 is 1 terabyte. And all the drives are here, the partitions are, you can see here. You can boot from both drive from boot setting. I have already uploaded many videos about computer. If you know anything else, you can comment here right below. And if you like this video, please like, and if you don't subscribe this channel yet, please subscribe and click on the notification icon. So friends, that's it. Thanks for today. Hope this video will help you to set up your computer with extra hard disk or SSD card or laptop hard disk. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?